Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to set up TikTok Shop Commission. Let's begin. Now, the first thing we need to do is to apply for the TikTok affiliate program. And how we can apply? It's simple. Just go here, add the affiliate partner page, and click on Join Now. Let's do it so that we can set up the TikTok Shop Commission. Now from here, all we have to do is just fill in as much as information as we can. All right, just follow along and follow the on-screen instructions. Let's do that. Or you have an option here to sign up with your social network account. So let's try it. As you can see, when you do that, you can sign in using your Facebook. You can sign using your LinkedIn account, your Twitter, even your Google account. Okay. Now, once you are here, you will be needing to provide more information such as your account display name, your company website, if that applies, your country, of course, your street address, obviously the city, state, and zip. And as you can see, for the promotional information, you need to choose from content or reviews. Is it going to be for deal and coupons, for loyalty rewards? And obviously, we are choosing creator. Right now, you have an option to choose the property type, which is it going to be for a website? So you need to put your domain here. You can also click on the plus option for add additional type, or if you're using a mobile device, now you can use an iOS, okay, or Android, and just put it some here. You can also add a type. And for social networks, as you can see, these are the platforms that you can choose: Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, YouTube, okay, Discord, and a lot more. Now, you have to be mindful of the agreements here in terms of the payout details, because TikTok creates a commission program that allows creators like us to earn money by promoting products and driving sales through their content. And obviously, it can serve as an additional revenue stream for creators beyond traditional monetization methods. Now, the commission program encourages creators to generate diverse and engaging content that showcases products in unique ways. And obviously, it can increase brand exposure on TikTok. So you have to be aware of the payout details right here. And of course, you can put some information about the default payout and the payout restrictions. All right. So these are the schedule. You might want to read and understand all of this before you sign up. Okay. So here, this is going to be the 20% spent amount, and these are the payout details. Okay, if you are in the US, Canada, Australia, so it depends on your region and on location. Now, obviously, after that, all I have to do is you can also give some qualified referrals right here. And once you understand all the terms and conditions, click on sign up. Okay, let's do that now. Click on it. Now, once you are here, you have all the tools for the product analytics right here, collaboration analytics, and of course, the creator analytics. Okay. Now, here, what would happen is commission program typically operates in a performance-based model where creators only earn commissions when their content successfully drives sales. Now, this incentivizes creators like this one to produce high-quality content that effectively promotes products and converts viewers into customers. And obviously, from the commission programs, brands can gain valuable insights into consumer behavior, including which creators are most effective at driving sales, which products resonate with audiences, and which content formats generate the highest engagement and conversion rates. Now, when you hover to the collaboration tab on the left side panel, when you click on the open collaboration, as you can see, you can add products here. Okay. Now, here, if you add products, it can foster a sense of community between brands, creators, and consumers on TikToks, because your responsibility as a creator needs to interact with the followers, answering questions about promoted products here, and create engaging discussions around featured items if you have, and further driving sales and brand loyalty. And obviously, from the target collaboration, because TikTok always continues to grow and evolve. A commission program here provides a scalable way to brands to leverage the platform's influencer ecosystem, and by partnering with a diverse range of creators, brands can now scale their marketing efforts and reach new audiences effectively. All right, and here basically you can find creators that you can collab. Right now, you can search for like free sample product. There's a lot that you can search. You can have a video creators. You can also look for live creators. And of course, you have the options for the average live viewers and whatnot. And you can also choose and optimize the categories here. It could be all, it could be beauty. Let's go for the electronics. Now, you can customize all of it. Say, for example, I'm just looking for the computers, and no, let's go for the mobile phones. Right, so nothing's happening right here. Let's look for phones and electronics. Obviously, if there's the results, you have live creators. You can also go for the video creators. You can toggle in between the followers and average video views and video GPM. Great. You can also categorize or filter out more options here for quick to respond, posts frequently, and reliable with samples. Right? You can also choose the view rankings. From here, obviously, we can filter out from electronics. Is it going to be day, week, or month? So it's up to you. So there's a lot of options that you can go here. You can go for the fast growing, for the popular content, for productive creator, and top collaborators. This is one of the best ways to set up your TikTok shop commission. And obviously, the program can be a strategic move for brands looking to harness the power of influencer marketing, drive product sales, and engage with TikTok's rapidly expanding user base. You can always go to the partner campaign if you have one, right? There's just going to be the campaign marketplace. And from here, just select a campaign, register products, and set the commission rate and wait for the affiliate partner's approval. You can also set, if you already created your campaigns here, that would be auto-populated in this section. And if you wanted to go for the sample request, right here, these are the for review, ready to ship, shipped, and content pending. All right. Now moving forward. And by partnering with a diverse range of creators, brands can scale their marketing efforts and reach new audiences efficiently. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again all in the next video.